Harness is used when installing an aftermarket stereo. Select 1995 up Infiniti, Nissan Vehicles. Connects the aftermarket stereo harness to the vehicle's factory harness. Made from OEM quality materials. Standard color-coded wires provide a consistent and simplified installation. Wire harness to connect an aftermarket stereo receiver to select 1995 up Infiniti, Nissan Vehicles. Designed specifically to fit the compatible vehicles. Plugs into the factory harness without cutting any wires. Made from OEM quality materials. Top reviews from the United States. 2 wires left over? I installed this harness on a 2000 Nissan Sentra with an Alpine CDES XM145BT radio. I am not for sure, but I had 2 wires left that I did not connect. But the radio works with no issues.